good afternoon. I already received my order in Amazon. This is hanging basket for my plant. So I want to see and then I want to show you too. This very small. I think it's bigger than like this. Oh, like this. Oh, hanging basket for my plant like this. For example, I have my plant Rahil that I will try it. Like this. This is a snake plant, and then I will try like this. So nice, beautiful. Look at. Okay, bye-bye. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.